Welcome to Wake Up Epic. This is our last practice of the entire 28-day series, and the focus is play and fun. We're going to combine our entire contribution series for play and fun, and then we're going to leap and jump and dance around. So it's going to be a blast. Here we go. 4 moves. Inhale, E. Exhale, E. Inhale, E. Exhale, E. Inhale, E. So all the possibilities. Everything coming at you, everything you could choose. Exhale, E, the choice, the focal point. Inhale, E. Here you are. No matter what's going on, here you are. Exhale, E. The action, the flow, the living the adventure. So hearing the call, answering the call. Choose yourself. Live the adventure. And so everywhere that you haven't had enough fun, everything you decided wasn't fun, everywhere where fun just is not allowed. What if everything could be fun for you? And that's our question today. What if just being you and contributing was always fun? How would these 4 moves be even more fun for you? Inhale, exhale, focus. Inhale, connect. Exhale, act. Last one. Those 4 energy dynamics make up the world of contribution. Part of Waking Up Epic, energy, purpose, inspiration, contribution. This is that play and that joy, the joy and the play of being alive and existing and being connected to the whole. So there's much more we could talk about there. Notice how this affects you today and just what play is like in your day. Now, jumping and leaping are our final movements. So jumping and leaping is about landing. So you take a small jump and you land. Take a small jump and you land. Now, can you do that and be silent? So you're going to have to pull down a little bit, land, to create silence. That silence is created because you're absorbing the energy and the impact. So try a couple lands where you jump a little and land a little deeper. Okay, good. Now try one and you jump slightly sideways. Other direction. Back and forth. Back and forth. Okay, great. Go and stop. Now let's organize your arms to make this whole move even easier. If your arms go with you in the same basic direction as the rest of your body, it'll tend to feel like you're going with yourself. So try that. Arms go back, you take a little jump, and land. Every part of your body is going in the same direction, so if you continue to do this, it should make you feel like you want to do more and do more and do more. So give this a try for just a few seconds. Okay, great. Go ahead and stop. So that's when the arms go with you in the same general direction. You end up wanting more and more and more. It's one interesting result. Now let's go the opposite direction. Your arms are going to go the opposite of your body. So hands will go out as you land, and then behind you as you jump. Kind of like this. So arms go out, little jump, land, and the arms go out. Almost like they're helping to stabilize you. Try that. Land. As you jump, arms go back behind you. Now if your knees are not liking this, you can do the whole moves, all these moves, by just squatting and standing. So we can always make this a progression easier or progression more challenging. So what did you notice about that? It's more stable, but I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to just do some. Notice what it's like to do multiple in a row. Good. Go ahead and stop. So my question to you is, which one made you want to do more? So you've got this combination of arms go the same direction as the jump, you end up wanting to do more. Arms go the opposite direction of the jump, more stable. So it's just interesting choices. So what we're going to do is for about 30 seconds, not too long, you get to freestyle leap, jump, squat in any direction you want. Because it's always about progress and you're contributing to your own body. Listen and you'll notice when you want to try something different or make it smaller, make it more challenging. So here we go. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, go. And rest. Awesome. It's really helpful. Well, first of all, how was that for you? Hopefully you came up with something new for yourself. You innovated and discovered something new. And this will often happen. If you give yourself a general structure with a particular time limit, once you've done a few seconds of it, or a few iterations of it, you'll start to discover some novelty. Something new will generate. It's always there underneath the surface. Just like whatever you've got going on inside you, that is the epic, the impulse of creativity itself. It's always there. You're already epic. And that's one of the gifts of this. So thanks for waking up epic with me for these last 28 days. It's been an honor and a pleasure to contribute to you. Let's take our last minute of silence together. Here we go. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Move your body. Welcome back. Thank you for waking up epic. I hope this adventure has been a huge contribution to your life. And because of that, it's going to have ripple effects into your communities and the world. And thank you for being here. So until next time, thanks for being epic.